This is acai. Comes all the way from Brazil.
Hello explorers, are you ready to dive into another exciting adventure? Today we are going to explore Borough Market in London. Borough Market is one of the oldest markets in London. So let's explore plenty together. The best time to come and visit Borough Market is about 10:30, soon after it opens its doors. Okay guys, we are at Borough Market. Let's explore plenty and make unforgettable memories together. Okay, let's begin. Guys, I believe there are millions of people come and visit this Borough Market every year. The spices. They're selling spices from around the world. These are exotic fruits, probably from Southeast of Asia. How exciting is this? Do you have any idea what this is? Where is it from? I'll tell you what that is. I don't know what this is. If you know, let me know please. A snake fruit. This is a snake fruit. Wow. Pepino melon. Oh my god. How cute is this? I've never seen a melon like this. Look at this huge whole jackfruit. Red banana.
Don't tell me twice. Yeah.
Round purple graffiti aubergine. Look at that. Look at the different cheeses. Italian smoked sausages. Spicy. They do a white boar sausage. Yes, as I have said, they're selling a lot of different stuff. Cheese, olives, fresh food, fresh vegetables, bakeries, pastries, cinnamon rolls, banana cake, everything. These are black truffle oils. Interesting. This man selling olives and olive oils, of course. This must be olive oil jars. They're selling cutting boards as well. These are all from olive woods. Turkish delight with different flavors. It's pistachio, pomegranate. This is one of the hidden gems in the Borough Market, the oyster bar. Look at that beautiful fresh seafoods here. It's £3.50 each, or £18 for 6. This is what I mean, fresh seafoods. Look at that salmon there, it's very fresh. What a size is that? Big prawns. Wow. Is that catfish? If you know, let me know. Guys, let me know in comments below if you know what sort of fish is that is. I'm fascinated by this fish. If you know what sort of fish there is, let me know. This is another hidden gems in this market, oyster bar. This guy is very famous in this market. Thank you so much. To be honest, I didn't expect that. That was good. I'm not hungry, otherwise I could get a portion of that. It's just too early for me. Okay, another fresh fruit shops. Very colorful. Strawberries, £5 a box. Flat peaches from Spain, £10 a kilo. A little bit expensive. Amalfi lemons, £6.80 a kilo. Amalfi lemons. This is one of the trendiest places in this market. Everybody come and get strawberry coated chocolates. Watermelon juice, £4.50 a pop. Orange and mango, £4 a pop. This is the famous hot chocolate coated strawberries. And this is exactly why I said at the beginning, there are millions of people come and visit this market every year. I can't see the price tag on some of them, but these dragon fruits are £6.50 each. Waterhead lettuce, £3.80 each. Guys, if you hear the noise above our head, there is a train station right above our heads, and that is a London Bridge station. Juices.
Super foods, guys, super healthy. It's all of your fiber day. Come and have it today.
What's that, mate?
This is acai. Comes all the way from Brazil. Have you heard
Oh,
of it?
is it?
Yeah. Have you heard of it?
I have.
Yeah, no, it's a beautiful fruit right here. It's a berry that only really grows in Brazil and the Amazon sort of area. It's very, very healthy for you. Rich in antioxidants, barely any sugar, and all the sugar that is in there is all natural. It's a very nice, high quality berry in general, and it's considered a superfood.
Thank you so much for explaining.
Yeah.
What is the actual fruit like? Do you have the actual fruit
We
itself?
don't have the actual fruit itself, but this is basically what it is in its purest form, more
Right.
or less. It's simply just the acai berries and then a little bit of agave syrup. And it's just basically churned together to be a bit more of a ice cream sorbet consistency. So it's a great alternative if you're like vegetarian, vegan, anything like that, diabetic, if you can't have any processed sugars. It's a very beautiful, lovely fruit.
Thank you so much. Okay, that was very nice of him to explain everything about that juice. It was very delicious. I liked it. This guy is selling salt beef sandwiches. Look at this beef chunk steaks. £21 a kilo. £19.50 a kilo. Cooked crab. These are all cooked. Wow, look at this fish. It looks amazing. Look at this Spanish cherry, £25 a kilo. Quite expensive, but they look very, very nice. I don't know what are these guys. Very little, looks like strawberries. Bubblegum flavor. It says bubblegum flavor. I don't know what that is. If you have any idea what that is, please drop in comments. Fresh bagels. Bagel £1.50 each. Spinach and feta roll £4.50. Cheese and all of the steaks, £3 each. This is a tea specialty shop. They do masala chai, English breakfast, Earl Grey. Masala chai, 1 cup, £2.50. Even Prince Harry was here apparently. Maybe a while ago, not recently. A smoked sausage, 3 for £10. I think it's a little bit expensive, I don't know. I might be wrong. Look at that. Chorizo, beef, chicken, aubergine. £2 a bunch for lavenders. Yeah, I have no idea what is it that they do with this bunch of lavender, but if you know, please let me know in comments below. This cherries are £20 a kilo, £5 cheaper than the lady on the other side was selling it for £25 a kilo. But this gentleman here is selling it for £20 a kilo, so £5 cheaper. This is the famous shop, the ginger pick for the sausage rolls. The price has gone up again to £6.50 to £7. Guys, also, I just want to take a moment and thank you to all and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, really. Without you, I couldn't do it. We just hit the 100 subscribers. I'm sure we can make a great community. Please drop in your ideas in the comment section below and let me know what is the next place that you want to see. Just let me know. Thank you. I love to hear from you. I really do. Panini, £9 each. Mortadella panini, £8.50 each. They look very delicious. This is a nice bar and restaurant just opening up. Look at this beautiful place, all decorated with a picture of animals, mostly fish. People from around the world come here to get different kind of food and sweets and trying everything. Hi girls. Scotch eggs. This is a famous Scotch eggs, £6. Okay, let's walk to the other side of the bridge and see what we can find over there. This guy is selling bread. Nice bakery, this one that is. This pie was £3.50 each. This guy is a chili specialist. This stall is a self-service chocolate store. You can just pick up as many chocolate that you want with different flavors. Like this one, for example, is a chocolate mint. Cannoli. The Italian dessert. But this one, it says Sicilian cannoli. Very colorful. This one, I don't know what that is, what flavor it is. It doesn't say anything. This one is a strawberry cannoli. Lemon cannoli. That probably is a pistachio cannoli, I don't know. Because that one is the same, pistachio. Hello. Where are these dates from?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. All of them. Nice. Date syrup. Thank you very much. Okay, this lady here selling cakes. Good looking cakes. Swedish candy. I have no idea if they're all Swedish or what, but they look very good and attracting. Lots of young ladies come and get these sweets. This place gets a little bit busy. Let's see what they have. Oh, look at that. Lots of different pastries here. Cinnamon rolls, donuts, biscuits. Let's go to this risotto shop and see what it's like. White mushroom risotto.
White mushroom risotto, the best in town.
Thank you so much.
Try guys, free sample. Have a try guys. White mushroom risotto. White mushroom risotto. Anyone guys. Free sample guys. Have another try guys. Free sample guys.
I like it. This is where the white mushroom gets browned.
One truffle oil, please.
This is where they mix it all together.
One truffle oil. You can add more
Triple cooked chips. Look at them chips. Apparently they cook 3 times. That's why they look very, very nice. This is a donut workshop. So a donut specialist, I would say. They have different kind of donuts filled with chocolate, different kind of cream.
Oh my God, Karen.
Fish kitchen. They probably do fish and chips here. Okay, explorers, this was all about the Borough Market that we have explored together already. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna wrap up this video for today. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video.